Jupiter 2. How to replace the Z-axis limit switch. Plug in the power supply cable. Turn the power switch on. Open the front door. On the touchscreen, select Tool, Manual, and lower the Z-axis by 100 millimeters. Turn the power switch off. Unplug the power supply cable. Remove the Z-axis limit switch plug with a pair of tweezers. Release and remove the 2 screws securing the Z-axis limit switch with a 2 mm Allen key. Hold the Z-axis limit switch when removing the last screw. Remove the old Z-axis limit switch. Install the new Z-axis limit switch. Put the new Z-axis limit switch in the installation position. Tighten the 2 screws securing the Z-axis limit switch. Insert the plug of the Z-axis limit switch. Close the front door. Plug in the power supply cable. Turn the power switch on. The printer is ready for use after the self-check.